Welcome, guys. So today let's solve 63 unique path 2. Okay, so hope you guys already see how to solve this unique path 1. Yeah, so basically the idea is that you have this dynamic programming solution where ij points, the number of ways you leave on can go on ij can only counts from the top to the right, only top from the down and the right. Okay, so in this 62 we don't have any obstacles, right? So I can first initialize all these to be 1 and all these to be 1, and I start to go through the second and third using a dynamic programming solution. If you haven't seen this video, I will post a link below. Okay. For this 63, you get some obstacles, right? So you get some obstacles, and obstacles has the if it's 1, and that means there's obstacles. Okay, so the problem is similar, right? You still use this dynamic programming solution, but there's a case that if ij is occupied by some obstacles, and you cannot go this way, so you must set ij to be 0. Okay, so let's solve this problem by hand. Okay, so this is 1, right? Because I initialize here, and this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, right? But there's obstacles here, right? Obstacles, so I can only put 0 here. 0, okay. Let's maybe using blue 0. So this way, these points, sum of these two, right? So it's 1. This point is sum of these two, right? So it's 1. So the answer will be 2. Okay. So problem is very easy, right? You first compute the length and compute the m and n, and you create the answer. Okay. And then you go through the first array. The key idea is that if you see some obstacles, and if the obstacle is not 1, then you should put 1, right? If there's an obstacle, the obstacles here, so that means that suppose there's obstacles here, that means, but then the rest must put 0, right? Because you cannot go that directions. Okay, you cannot bypass this, right? So if you see any guys 1, you don't have to compute, you break. Okay, so the remaining will be 0. Also for the vertical directions, and then you go through array and do the same thing, right? Do exactly the same thing. If there's no obstacles, right? If there's no obstacles, then you do the same thing. If there's obstacles, you need to set 0. You need to set 0, and finally you return the final answer. Okay. So this is the results. Let me submit again. Yeah. So basically, this is exactly the same problem as the unique path. Right? The only difference is that you need to add some obstacles to help you, but the key idea is almost the same. Okay, so yeah, this is the code, and see you guys next videos.